Hi everyone. Apple has decided not to include touchscreens on their MacBooks for several reasons. Ergonomics. Touchscreens are more ergonomic for tablets and smartphones, which are held in your hands or lap. When used on a laptop, touchscreen interaction can cause strain on your wrists and arms due to the extended reach required. This is known as the gorilla arm. Software integration. Integrating touchscreen functionality into macOS, Apple's operating system for MacBooks, would require significant changes to the software. This could make the overall user experience feel less cohesive and consistent. Target audience. Apple believes that their MacBooks are primarily intended for professional users who prioritize performance, portability, and battery life. Touchscreens may not be a critical factor for these users, and adding them could increase the cost of the devices. iPad competition. Apple's iPad tablets are already very popular, and adding touchscreens to MacBooks could further blur the distinction between these two product lines. This could potentially cannibalize iPad sales, which Apple may want to avoid. Even though MacBooks have no touchscreens, they are successful and some of Apple's most successful products. Thanks for watching.